Hello. Okay. So here's an update. Uh, I think so. I thought about doing all of the about 1,800 parishes in Luzon. That seemed doable, but then I found out that it's a little bit um, ambitious, a little too ambitious. I've instead decided to just focus in on the dioceses under the province of San Fernando, or those attached to the Archdiocese of San Fernando. This is for a number of reasons, but mainly because um, out of all of the Luzon provinces, the province of San Fernando has the largest variation, or one of the larger variations, like a standard deviation of about 0.71, I think, in terms of the percentage of Catholics in each diocese. And furthermore, because it has, a standard, or an average percentage of Catholics, an average percentage of people. So there's about 200 parishes. So um, we're going to go from least to most. So starting with the archdiocese, the Metropolitan Archdiocese of San Fernando. So let's there it's a lot. 94, 94, 94. So from 1 to 94. Oh man, okay. So since there's about 225, I'm not sure whether or not add whether they're. I'm not. I don't know. This might be a little bit too much information, especially since I'm so pressed for time. So I calculated it, and no, it's okay. I'm safe. And as you could see, if I'm trying to do it in 6 hours, all of this, and there's 225, I have to, for 6 hours straight, do it in less than 90 seconds. One parish under 90 seconds. There is the GC Catholic page, but they don't have a list. And I also want to corroborate myself. Corroborate it myself. Yes. So we're starting off here. And what we're going to do basically is going to check OpenStreetMap. First, we're gonna check Google Maps. I'm not sure why that's. There you go. Get it here. Then OpenStreetMap. It's probably here. Through our previous exploration of parishes in Alimanas, we've seen that not all parishes are in Google Street Map. In fact, in OpenStreetMap, in fact, not all provinces, not all parishes are in um, uh, Google Maps as well. So it has 21 nodes. To make it all kind of standardized, I've chosen the first node in OpenStreetMap if it's available. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna put cathedrals first. I don't think it's a shrine, and I don't think it's a basilica either. I am actually not sure whether there's any basilicas here. According to G Catholic, there's only one cathedral and one shrine in San Fernando. So we're going to put those first, and Metropolitan Cathedral. It's also a shrine. Shrines and Extraordinary Jubilee. Metropolitan Archbishop. Jubilee Shrines. Extraordinary Jubilee. So I think it is also a shrine. Let me corroborate that. Metropolitan of San Fernando. Metropolitan Cathedral of San Fernando. So as you can see, like just taking this one, it's more than 90 seconds. Nope. It's more. It's and I can't imagine taking the seat of the Roman Catholic Church. It's a metropolitan cathedral. I'm not sure if it's a shrine. Shrines in the Extraordinary Jubilee. So there are multiple shrines. So there's that. Okay. Not sure how much information. I'll just take out parish priest. It's not required right now. Page, source. Unless I change the source, I don't think it's needed because it's mostly just actually I'll just I'll say if it's from OpenStreetMap or Google Maps, or if it's not available in either. So it's an OpenStreetMap, OSM, OpenStreetMap. I'm gonna take these both off since delete. Vicariate. Unlike Alaminos, it doesn't have a. It does here in the Claretian publications. Okay, so it's got an archbishop. It's got a seminary, yeah. Administrative section, Episcopal Council. And if you go down after pastoral sections, the Archbishop Council, laity, commission. After on retirement, again, vicariates and parishes, archdioceses. There's seminary vicariates, Blessed Trinity vicariate. These are parishes. Under each parish is a vicariate. So, unlike other dioceses, the Archdiocese of San Fernando doesn't have a directory. Archdiocese of San Fernando. At least not a directory from the website itself. So I have to go from here. What is the church? 97 churches. Does that track with mine? It only has 93. According to the Annuario Pontificio. Okay. Jubilee in San Fernando. These are just churches. This is a shrine. This is an archdiocesan shrine, in fact. Okay. So we've got the Metropolitan Cathedral. I'm gonna corroborate this with the one in Claretian publication. See, it's heavy work. Metropolitan Tribunal, Metropolitan Cathedral. Cathedral of San Fernando. There you go. Metropolitan Cathedral of San Fernando, Pampanga. I'm going to copy and paste this onto the address. Oh man, I hope I don't run into problems like this. It was much easier on the other one. City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Metropolitan Cathedral of San Fernando. I wonder if there are San Fernando. Saint Fernando, I think it might just be show address. San Fernando Cathedral. In order Santa Rosario Poblacion. Santa Rosario. Okay, I'm gonna use the address from OpenStreetMap for so it would be the same all over. Okay, so it's obviously from the Diocese of San Fernando. It's not a basilica. It's not a cathedral. I think there's only a basilica in Balanga, so that's for later. I'm not gonna add vicariates anymore. I mean, it is here. It's listed under the Saint John Marie Vianney Vicariate. Okay. And then corroboration, that's a lot of sources. So I took OSM and I got it from G Catholic. Yes. Okay, so or G Catholic and also Claretian Publications. The address is from OSM as well. Okay, so there's only one shrine that I see here, and that's Apong Makalulu. So my apologies for my Kapampangan. My dad's Kapampangan actually. So here you are. I could check it first in OpenStreetMap, but usually it doesn't really work. So I have to check it here, and then check it here, and then lo and behold, there it is. And no features found. It's over here. Place of worship. Apong Mamakalako. You might be asking, oh Dom, why can't you just download the OSM file and filter by church denomination Catholic? I could, but I'm not going to, because we've seen before that there are churches that aren't included. But you could also ask, hey Dom, why can't you just get it? Why can't you just get the OSM and then see which churches aren't included and then work from there? That's a great point. Actually, let's try that. I'm not. Let's be smart about this. OSM feature downloads. Let's download data. Come on. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be filling up this whole thing for the next 6 hours. Let's see what happens. We're gonna We're gonna get our coding skills. We go to OpenStreetMap, find the area that you would like to download for, and I want to use QGIS. We're using it for download specific features in OSM. Okay, I'm going to be stopping the stream so I could save on internet. I'll get back to you. I'll tell you if it works. Hopefully it does. But wait. It wouldn't know whether it's in Pampanga or under which diocese it is. I don't know, there's so many ways to go about with this. Download this. So, ito. And I don't want to download everything from here, knowing how much data there is. But, okay, let's go. Let's go. I'd like to write. That's 11 years ago. Overpass API. I don't want to use APIs. I'm gonna stop the stream. I'll report back to you in 15 minutes. And I'm trying to go about this at the most, the smartest way I can. Angeles, that's a little... Go. Why is it making me guess? There you go. So, amenity, places of worship, OpenStreetMap. Okay. And it even has okay, we are getting back to you. So what tags Christian? I'll get back to you.